make sure qu'on fans will be in it. So afonye artist will be support. For the show kita ko ita la show binyame. No, or even close to that. No, most of those shows will be like a flop flop. Yeah, I understand. But need to see that it's you will be Buriana and cutting Nisula daily, baby Nala, because you are the bigger guy. So how long will you work a girl? Yeah, I understand. Only few artists will they make their big names already. So with or without you, those shows will pop. You know, few of them. You know, but the amount of them are being more. You know, so until you follow you break those you break those rules and then yeah and they could come along the bad ones too. Because become an artist DJ Alonko, you were supporting them at that point. For bringing cool start along. Yeah, I understand. So you didn't I'm on short of time me Alonko until Kamenke you apply like in these times. Just to be clear. You know, in this time you didn't do those things. So in Delphi, industry move two things like it. You are gonna be successful individually. But there is quality BJM alonko, Marco Ronin, Prun Nabulul Kafuta Nyoma. It's a industry in Yeta. That's the idea of it. So at some point there was no man reason Jako, okay, I have to apply these things proof and on behalf of the whole industry. You know. Just to cut that story short. So say mfutata level do to me alonko yung interview. Then even interview la ajis cons. Yung interview active TV la force. Kabri anyi ninkala interview da kala ka ninyama nyoje for maybe 2 years or so. Yeah. I made her. So say nyun dula fanan la moy. Ini mo me alonka alka boy nyo ka alka call kit for some time. Sa almantar nyo moy kang for 2 years, but I don't problems at all. I can't problems at all, but I tell you, can the same music, the same industry. I can't problems at all. Okay, fine. Mom problems but young interview active TV. Not dear member for force for more for Lanko. Nina been dark a loss. Muka, I'm a kaiborina.
Yeah, exactly. Because
for active TV. Mbala, more for active TV. So, Capri for active TV. Modul salatankang dia mo share, but I'm keko Capri for Ajis Corners. So 2 years later, or 1 year or something like that, I just gonna find an interview. So Sante, na argument is this place. Salila mo yung dula fa na back. Na argument is this place. Iko. The reason why, because we do la fa na mo jama kan fa ko kaya ndo kule. Ikatunga difference and the baba. The reason why I go for now is a big statement, and I know it's big for so many people in Itulo. You might understand, no?
No, but yeah, it's a person in your song. It phone call for the Kosana Kaburile. Can you clarify that point?
Yes, nka jela kana clarify munan nankaka ikaburinal. And Kugalaka ikaburinal in so many equations. But I interviewed her. There is one portion, me alonga ko. Ikayako small scale ike burila la can even the lava le burila. Dula dul be mentioned, but just lava instance another answer.
Exactly.
Ako lava is very tight. Lava ka tight le. Bro, any moment then apart from me being a big artist in Gambia, me being a big name T Smalls, lava data nyawo nya bro. Until artist will nimbo club or aka special la mol kalo nako. Nim artisol bani area to menta mu club oti jato musu beta ba ay artisol respect di la bak haninte hanimo bunda da sa make sure ko ani la je data ta nyawnya na sa make sure ko na bije fana ma kala muda na kala muda sa make sure ko you are taking care of so nte artiso T small no be long as T small ta fa mu kam mabu no molla ha ito ko lava data ta la pour yende soudi enin T small benga si bon ko na kala ko ke alga bro. So how does that make sense to you? Just the number futala, the ninka call, the ninka safe Instagram, honey sign a message of Instagram, na status alia Altalia GB. The way I tell the phone, Kuja market and Yinata will be like December 22 long, 2022 long, and text will Musa outside festival or the way I tell no welcome back now. But Yaninka cool jumping us, Natado in the money. Yeah, I understand. So how can lava be too tight pretty in the shooting? Angal la moy hakilo lan. Iba mole jibe ka me alonko artist ba ka tan lon Gambia. Iba mole fana jibe ka iteri malon. Iba mole jibe ka me alonko ina ko wal kala.
But it is in the club. In those days,
But they go for the Juna, Manta repeat like Nadiamongan, Demogal Dajo Pinga Fenke, they go for the Juna, Ko, Naga Benake Buri. Ada from Yanin in Galako, lava title, so lava is too tight, Procatissimals, maybe too small is too black.
But you approach him, you approach him when you see him in lava.
Then you approach him for Gagake Buri. Ni approach yung kana for level yung talaga kay burela do biye osale na ya ba ndo for duma osa ka jibe osa ko nyaka boy sa ngeda so je na wole atina ndinko tonya na futa tanyi level to sana me alongo na TV ya go to this level na futa tanyi level to fo akajere ya nyina wota e kula ke menja uyata so I made my statement go wota ndo kule ni mando ku because mbo na fonola ni man problem so de fanga ya fo ko nene ni man songa nene ni man problem so nene man na voice fanga raise nyoka so mun na ka jere ko action si falke bro ana tari boy imu de na nolti ni o ken masila la ko ma fala nyindu mun nungera you understand so statement no kum nga fala nyamere mbo state auto on that period in interview and I expressed it then mojamaya ta in a wrong way. You understand? That's not too mal from data, bro. There's some of us are in many situations like Bama getting a diam. But nta too mal na mfuta wa level to probably understand the reason why fangaku you can do cool. Put yourself in my situation. Ni madama don't call every time, bro. Iya kilo bo fulan nan. Anu wo say the end yo wala nyintuka te ko. Talong ni bo mumutal. Iba mistake le rek natare ko fango ko no lava fanga tijeno o ndab na man nam bel lava mo ta fo ha to nyalo o to tis mo ta fani apa bar buliya du nga nyata bala kono bambo hay na ngale adunta jogal you understand so ite fanga yeda yela loko e ko fo yaje lava fo yato la ko lava title so sometimes ko mo to you want to just make it fast like that ogana lie now lie now and love of data nyaonya nimdibo dunta nyaonya ne yo Batman ninte nite nyayo nyoje we should know ko ntalla nyinte okay sai after no foro fana iko man problem soto man hani problem soto nene ni man sonka nene mo ko I just keep saying that parental fans only along ninsana we used to be good nene man sonka nene man your voice from race nyoka we respect each other and I will believe we love each other maybe I'm sorry to say it but manim fufana mpuruka tinyar kete because I'm not tribal at all but we love each other because of our manding kaya fanang it's nice to see them be able progress come together you understand they supported Sana on that too I don't mean to be tribal or anything but just to say a reality you understand so it's impossible you have a human shooting. You understand that? So what happened in the co now for the level of road, there must be something wrong there. So I made my statement, you know. So more being yapitangang fanango, yeah, why should I say that? But what happened in the Tefana offer? Not a kufana. Yamoning bring interview in banta. If you really care, you brother. Huh? Ko yemen.
Okay, guys, this small I'm call. You know, he will be back again. Stay connected, tap the screen and share the live. The interview, I think, is getting more and more interesting because if you want to start this, okay, guys, this small I'm call. You know, he will be back again. Stay connected, tap the screen and share the live. The interview, I think, is getting more and more interesting because if you want to start this,
So if you really care, family to okay no la nata ko EMM fo obe to ko ndeni te man problem so we are good. Don't you think on constant you should be able to call my phone bara for the level of the bros. I don't be able to more people will be focused just because in my long from continuity that's how cool we are. Nene man song and then yal nim fans jamali o fan long hey you more floor from nene man buri nyoka. They love each other genuinely. Family manjerete sign. Yal long you for the artist balti once upon a time. A futa nya nyane. I have blow yele nyale pro angana ya. Constant ale way but nga call bro. Dega nyimanya na keke way. You know, and what time will me along con yanta ka bang, nim benta no. Fansul fonta nyin chance to la purka diam mole, purka mole ne. Okay. Omandang wala de, nda fama personally, nge message. Imang dang ku yela no madine nge message nge call, nga fo intalong smalls. Imandang ku, master fo, ye call, imandang ku. It come to a level me alonko na show mina kang mo jama ya mera condition bamburun kang gambe because na title 15 years a king mo jama ya mera ko I am so cocky dama big up small bobo or dama feel big mo jama yo mira why that no it's an entertainment concept luma wax nonu tamit nekul ne fen la wax di 15 years nekanashi 2 years rek nga account ne men 2 years rek nga account ne men and then double albums so I was working even they left me alone ma delu wati suma delu bi tamit filuma big the bro I call everyone call na mom si bopam manta artist dol to fala because that's not the problem even artists yo xamne link na len moment bobu non fala woñ ma after lo legi man ma ngi cool ak artist yu non te duma la di musa mentional na sa time bobu link na la fala woloma no.
So it's not
artist you know legi. So link na ñep def dem si ñoo xamne ñoo de jëne suñu ticket comme template bu fa nek man dama follow the same template ñom Fatou Camara gaay yeb dem na si gaay yeb ben su de big up mom jëne na suma ticket si ñeneen yi yeb ken dimbalewut ma they are the same people ñu de jëna ticket si for all of them they follow the same template ñu nek si industry bi yeb du promoter man suma boba my job fee I'm halis spend everything si suma show bobu non I understand suma amele net si show bobu non Lamin Cham ak securities man I am a real nigga nu fa demé non la na explain ale Lamin Cham Soundambi that's because of Soundambi because my mom we have a very long relationship why suma ko hole ameluma Lamin Cham because Lamin Cham suma popular and at the same time my mom we used to give each other more after some minute go def anything because he knows I know so the securities are all the people ñu xamne sa dinga wone amal na gaay te lolu tamit because so bi dem na be fum em yep su suma poche mi janne sun karo kana si nga ko do ki promotal be pour ak ko do so at least ko karta mo mo be yalla ko do so do ekuke so how comes ding nañ wone I feel too big I went to all the industry people, Dunyam Alaji Muhammad, to all of them. They all boycotted me because they were all scared. Small buga run industry biwadi. And that wasn't the idea. I was only coming to tell you that we can do these things. Gisna lenen tamid ak lenen. Kala ñu boole ko ñu gën ko mëna yobbu ci next level bi. Because that was the idea from the beginning. But they fight me. They make sure na show bobu nonu mu ham problem. Show bisa am na problem, am na essence problem. Why so ko sété at bobu nonu tamit 5 shows yu gëna big show bobu ci la boka. Why bente suñ dé wax show bobu dañ ko def ni show bobu sa nit ñewut. Essence amul ci dëkk bi. It was more than 6,000 to 8,000 people there. Lo xamne du mëna hej penchame. Why suñ ko classify dañ ko classify ne small mom defu dara. Te in the history so ko wax ci book ci man rek ma dem Europe ma nekk fofu mu yaga ma ñëw def stadium show and people still came. Western Core count, they counted like nothing. So all these years, I've been oppressed. See, all the good things that I've done for my people. Yeah, I understand. I've been oppressed for that, for no reason. You know, so man fofula neka the one sana na brother we never have problem, bro. None more problem, sort of. If we have don't you think it's genuine? At that time, kapring call for the level of Puriam call, and if I don't go call the patata. From patata. Na show tambitale. Ye nya kasi call bele nge call from bada purki kiji man song. Man kam fata bro. Ila show kana si. Ali ang call al man soto purkan ke soto. Masino la. Ali masta ko call fal bada la. Nali ajiba la show estado do. Final flying ni tata back to the record. Ibajile ma push for around 2-3. Show day last final fly because of these smalls because he bumpa to kampurunga wuli purunga for ham in aplelan because he manga ni yalo noko muto nya fulal ti mukasila mafulal ko ali al nya do handem kasintala salta sital kanaf but I did to ngono ni manke wota modi ndalong mastafuko gala kala kije na wuli tamba fly ko ndale gal alaw priya kije Wuli the master konya bangi dani de then start la follow. I explain because master fana I mumo si van jeleta. Nga abo cool din delta nyu mol no wala no. Nga I will go to the show. Yeah. Ndata wo show. Ngani na fu si fala dong, nga black dong. Yeah, start over fara teta. Yeah, nga over fara njita nseta. So nganying diamo mat approach la to teach up la diamo kan ko one time ya artist will mobilize pre-beta st la show then artist you know no banyanyo. Those are kind of the things that Lunde use that then to really come artists are against you. Why artists you know no time buñ la don't need you are not there te nit ñi yegun bobu non imko sonna kataji. So muna nenite tasita that time D jobs wol bol mol be e bo mol call la fa mol ka ngata nga ST danjo tete ST mo artist wol fananta respect. It's not gonna work, bro. Adi kakelo on the low it be because you have people who are gonna talk for you. So what I didn't know artist will katar in pain, but intending artist Jamal different. Well I'm still now I'm here and I'm gonna defend it to the last dot katonya for. Or artists will suffer medokan, suffer get told to suffer studio, they suffer corner to but they won't come here and say it. That's the difference between Tanaltan. You understand? So, nte tata la shodo. Nyajibe every time nin call for tata fam kunta ko nyanta ka kera sala flyer post ka ita ni mola ko fam ni manke sidan good because kuma ya fara nyame maka la repeat ala nta na mon problem so we good. Sali I understand le muna nango ay ndo kule. So
yeah, because the phone la pe murune la domande le small sa. Because there is a song Mayalongo, the title of the song is Juju Man. Juju Man. Yeah. So why come Ila was song is a song Mayalongo is very deep, you know. Apart from Allah Bengo Laba Laba in Andwite, you know that come like Ateka Buridela, according to you. So and do you have any other thing Mayalongo is that identical come like Ate is a Juju Man or Aidoku?
The only reason is Nikki Burina all the time to that extent. I don't need to be close. What don't suspect like that's my concrete argument. I don't a lot of phone.
But ila sama kono fana you indicated that ila motosumo teta kasama shiro kan fana.
Mafuta la wadula beto ha. But ipa tunkana kuntu mbadula to je over.
Okay.
Kana kuntu mbadula to je important. Mafuta la wadula beto. Mbadula to dami alongo purka itandile ni multa ta fela faka kun takinyola rek. Saje ngana ngafogala ka bo cool ni ngala flyer post. Factor ne ne sana jele. Alpha mata sana fanga jela la it small la. Come let's say say nga let's forget about fitting on in side. For the culture, for the sake of the culture. Ni aje ngala post a flyer in post is for the sake of the music, for the sake of the culture. Forget about the problem, forget about just music in the culture ni. Wala na nafuta ta wor. Ta futa ta dula do to no Alaji Mohammed ko mo be ka a fight le because of mandinga ya. Bro ntulo yo moy rek ndeunda because mo manding kolde adunda sonna work in the mal tema. Ngo gala ko despite all the problem alta lesson la show support. I'll be it age. Dimbaba konsaka I'll be it age. Juju manolo ndo baral be it age. Ngake fe hati fang just purka call kaitan ni mol la ko alike kung hada Alaji Mohammed wol mo si falto because sitani mol loit. You understand? Intending ST the man and will instigate. So night and then tell a side go. I will tell the fans go, hey, fentije the problem tije. Pisces will tole mal. Pisces will tole mal. It email level long music industry, the DJ bar, you have to always be neutral and tell the youth what's the right, left or right feeling. Start a cabo, T-small, still a show promote. Yeah. And any more before I show promote, yeah, because I am concerned more of my people than the money. That's the difference between ten I'll tell. Ning tinyaro bakela, mba itande mola lako, hey, tinyaro kana kala alkana song gambe killing. Bari, hana tarata killing na ba win la, gambe no le win tani saying. Kuma men fale fucking talented youth. Fucking talented. I don't think that sila ngala fi estila career bang white tinya. Alama ale ntanka wala ufama mbele ya puru Gambia. Probably cool understand. Small's been hot. I am hot from a brother me along as a cool keno la hadamadi yakam badi yakam even about anything just with a single call or with single access. Then tell you member for and what artists don't be they face the same thing. It's a tonya fully. Collabol or whatever, you can't tell the time moment DRT because now the setup is there for you. Me along come interview better and it I cannot remember. I have no problem with this guy. I cannot remember. But on your songs, Hanan artist only more than this the individual or email problem on the normal level. They get this all and then you
because other songs and you guys are communicating directly on the songs.
Huh?
Alla songs all at all phone can communicate directly because alla songs will be a couple
Hanin dogel la song kombonka ning chronicle ni la moy baake bro ibalo na lako there's something going on in between all of them ali imuka musical la moy nalka musical la moy albati amol moy albalo na le mol mel fang ba jote kan mol mel yalon ke ka fo nyoy. You understand? Hanintenati, we talk to each other a long time, monkey beauty, but that's just the art of it. And then for them, when you do like explain, probably I understand. Apart from your problem will be musical or culture. Ndelba musical menkegan is an influence from Jamaicans, Americans, and now Nigerians. So musical is dancehall, hip hop, reggae, and in Afrobeats. So the nature of hip hop is normal pro clash shot pro beef shot artist flow can you challenge on words. Just prove I'll tell Dolmel Malong why that culture. Come slavery time on nani slavery left like a killer or like a new lundele sakul balon dale new war of words. You know, come to konyo but kuma come out. So ning artist will be beef kang. War is something me alonko is normal in the culture of hip hop. Woman ke tanati amanke ko artist of foolish tale or artist of modo hate kane. War is a normal thing. Prunga deal for them understand. Pruni ya ukusi valja kanana na tamberek. Rules all kana futa dingolma, kana futa balma, kana futa yalong family ma. You know, but then it's very normal. Mbani foka na pruni aje nim mic banyin parte discount or why di banyin discount on a song. Those are normal things. You know, artists on your right total kafan defending anyway, be it abitale studio lota sonke or be it abitale I saferoke online, you know, just to make sure I can elnyinta. So it's normal. Nalo fananjal kakara miracle is hate. It's based on hate or is based on prukanyo. No. War is a normal thing prukake. You understand? So science it's very clear the reason why nko ayendo kule and we point on bijenen nyama fenga is apply le koten ale ala may o ale ta ale interview ni lamay. You understand? So nimol katete la kodo it's rightful pri fana yaite nimol la fana ko rightful mfana bitaka la kodo. But we proof should be not that Aliaji be back in the days. Albaja la ko sana until flyer from sana famado post la Jumal. Then they'll be a musical con and we are all big artists. So the fear of you being in your position will a problem odi. And you are defensive with that on your songs. You go eat and the mola go ha. For not that naturalized, but in killing the bijang, until kinti jang, you know. And in the arena, comme nga me explain ko ñoborin ko ni ba arena ko no ñoborin mo be ka bakule mo be ba falante le no roke ndele nyinke ndele nyinti so ni de ta fo wonya ni modo fana yata for ko antelon kinti, then there should be a competition. And then wala tina the music go nyimba dolka, because we deal with it with emotions instead of with professionalism, with education, with trying to make money out of it. The biggest show in one of the biggest shows in Jamaica, Sting, it came out of conflicts. It came out of conflicts, Vibes Cartel Movado. So wala na binite amiratismo fulis tale, binima na borati ko yolo. Vibes Cartel na borati ko yolo. Inila ko di jamal bi. But ibejele binale nyo sonkandi. Internet to lumbang, stage to lumbang. And that's the reason why we competitional kage. The niaje we competitional fanan kage is because ni mo be konte mukingalti. What is I'm for salo mem mukingalti. To relax, ka sol la moy. Moli along ko daga ni bata wata reply ngaji be men na songe na bata me safero no me talingo ganano na mandang wala, we take it to the stage. So all these things are things me along ko anyanda ka stage learning properly with the people melba industry to alpha melbiti, but your small smutaleko atelong mo kurunguti, and they put him at the side, forgetting fananko small shot Rix Lesotho, unlike so many artists, wala tina na hanis album mo ikan, wala tina hanis sa Gambi album to mo ikan, nakata mo ikan J, because nga Rix Lesotho J, I spent so much money into this thing. Kudol bijenta for la fam. You understand? So I'm a risk taker in this business. So yeah, expect nyali lo kung bula. It's like this is my company, bro. So if you keep pushing me aside, abang natilala to this level, abajarela le molian neng. Even just that is what's giving me money, But then, sana yemen fonte, I will return that to him. Niman problem sort. Nene niman fight. Ngakuo men foka foko yendo kule. It's because your tension omen create between me him. You allow the people to hear that and to use that against me. Mumi alonko ifanga asedi ako ni mon problem sort. We did things together, bro. And the mandafola kumni mankoilo ummi mako mandafola because ala wokan mum ku bakarek asababu mulla. You understand? Ku bakarek akasababu dulala akasababu mulla kula katen nandaike. Wala na mogafo ala ninying. But kafo ko ila music la faliw. Anila production la faliw. Ala sababu ta ko ufanang blessing on atantele blokon adu manja ya mamuta. Ngabla. So ni fana ndara face ita yaje ko kajafiro meta. Yalo, diamol ba meeting. Adu ite ya believe loko ifang ko hani nimbenda bees the same because you know me, bro. Ite ala nako small benyame, bro. Bro, you know me, bro. So ni wa chance to tanun diamuta no. Fans tanenna, fans tina nun kana online ka more difference ba menjela reki ba love la jela. Okay, misunderstanding na dalabari ST call or small share call. And then aband. But you leave that to go on. So, and that's the same reason you are lying behind those things. I swear down I focus later. But there are so many of the people milk support because of Mandinka Yaka. You understand? And you come afford collateral and Buffalo, but I focus collateral. Mojama K support because of Wallacam. You understand? And that is very normal. Woman get tanatide. Hako. Ala support until manding call until man na manding ka ad so lay ala over support small na naman tanadi wala. Bariko na futata level to dame alonko. Aba kanna walio natilan bangko alonko ala yete fanan choose le to be a leader. To be a leader in the midst of the youth. Wala na ala wa talent dila. Bro over bad talent.
So are you small? What do you do?
Ibato nga nyam finish direct. Ibato nga jam finish den nga na diam. You over bad tele wala den ni ila level futata je mo ma fe man do ko ke. Adum ba fala la fanan ko. Mo ma tin na mo ma fa ko man do ko mo ma fa ko la music go mom bitia. But then nin kana wali yo kana you are a leader, you have responsibility. Pro kana one time fanka wo potres ka for mo le ko. De tonya ha na crowd be mal telete but o mati na ni fana ngamba modul o mati na kana wali natin da mal tema. There should be nothing like that. You understand? Oh boy Natale afindita he mentioned something like that. And all of them took it the wrong way. I don't oh boy mu amu leader leti Almanya na kajibi at that time ko haman ning ko labo ta mol kono lede. No, abala responsibility. He's taking his responsibility. Abole ta kan kai tan dalla ko mu artist already. When it comes to things like this, I should be a neutral person. I should just speak the truth for my people. Because nitel come tell mu president already. Wala na ninku kita mo be ka koronda pour baro diamo. Ila wa diamo will be very important to that little kid. That little fan who is there, me alonga ye kanu fa dofta. Baraba jerela ka kudoge. Pour que masi bo fa rek. That little talk, that little moment iba mem fola. Rek hana traba kala story sa fero roneti. It's very important. So kutung kana yabla. E kutung kana yakala for long time, bro. Ubla, upon DJ, people will still support you because they know your talent totally. You understand? They know ite boy hanila interview fe kam mol garu ha ante mukanna ko nati online ka je wol be fa ngalo kay mol garu wala ka. But you caught them to play smart